Okay guys, nana ang next episode. This is gonna be fun. This. So mag-rollers ako start.
Talk to them.
Hey, nag-drawing ko guys unsang look liking sa Dor Mariano. It's very good, guys.
That's the last episode for the night, ha? The next episode will be for tomorrow, okay?
Sige. Guys, last episode na lang ni. Kay mag-sleepy time na ko, okay? Nga mag-read si Mamang story para sa kuha o si Papa Pud.
Yes, and bye-bye mo show them your ilok.
Sige. Unya guys, kuha Pud. Kanang ugma na ang next episode. Alright then. So mag-start na
mag-comment sila kung silang gusto na imuhang i-talk about. Like, you comment down below.
Write in the comments below.
What do you want me to talk about?
What you want me to talk about? I-ask lang i-chat lang kay tita. Kay phone manini tita.
Thank you.
Thank you. So mag-start na tag drawing sa Dor Mariano.
Make it fast or else its time is up.
Sige. Dalian man ako.
Iwasan na na.
Sige. Nalang ning gate. Gate. Nagdali ko guys kay si tita. Dali kaayo.
Si tita, minti na dali.
Unsa bang kataoy? Sige, mangkad faster always. No. Dili to joke.
Tinuod to guys. Are you done?
Wait lang. Ano man kasigig fast? Uy, tinuod yun ba?
Oh. Are you done?
Wow!
Is that it?
Sige. Wait guys. A little bit coloring na lang. Pwede lang ni mo ayaw kayo i-cool ng aircon.
Ano man, itog na ka?
No. Pero, dili sa end ng vlog, please. Wala pa ko nang manag-drawing. So, ay.
Are you done?
Wait lang.
Time is up na.
Sige, mana, tawa na, Ako ni.
Wow! Pasimutan sila sa mga ilok. Like, subscribe. Ina sila.
Like and subscribe. Ugma na po ng next episode.
Flying kiss.
Are you excited for the next episode tomorrow? Yes, you are.
Okay. Right. See you tomorrow.
Sige. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm gonna find you. Ready or not, here I come.